In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install these outfits. Download the mod and download this Avil toolkit. Once download done, right click on the Avil toolkit and select WinRAR and select extract to. Do the same thing for the outfit mod. Open the Avil toolkit. Open the exe file. Select this pencil icon in Syndicate. Path to executable. Click on the three dot icon and navigate to game folder. Select the exe file and select open and select OK option. Double click on the Syndicate. Select no. Double click on DLC underscore 14. Right click on the data PC underscore 14 underscore DLC and select unpack option. Go to downloads. Open the outfit DLC underscore 14. Right now we unpacked this folder. Drop these two files inside this. Once you dropped, select this up arrow. Right click on the file and select repack option. Finish the repacking. We have successfully installed the mod. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to inventory, outfits, and choose the outfit you like. As you can see, the mod is working. I like this one, the cube. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.